right, y'all. I can't take it no more. Okay, I need a haircut.
The corona.
I need a haircut.
The corona is getting to him, guys.
So I'm gonna cut my own. I'm gonna cut my own hair.
You be careful.
I'm gonna cut my own hair. All right. So y'all gonna watch, and I'm gonna cut my own hair. She's gonna help. All right. Cause I need a cut. Look at me. I mean, I already did down here. I have a nice face. But what about up here? All right. So we're gonna be cutting this size down and these sides down, and we keeping all this. This is my first time ever doing this. All right.
This is literally my first time ever doing this.
All I know is this is a 4-guard. All right.
At least we know that.
I remember getting in my body. And I said, that's it. To be young, gifted, and black.